So we've got a little bit of time left, so I'm going to tell you what you're going to be doing with this drawing and with your block that you're taking home today for those of you that are here in class. But these steps also go for the students at home. Once you have your drawing where you want it and the design is perfect and you feel pretty confident about it, what I want you to do is take scissors and cut that drawing out from the piece of paper that you drew it on. And you're going to take your side view piece and you're going to put it on the side of your block and trace it out, okay, on the side. Your top view piece, you're going to cut that one out. You're actually going to put it on the bottom of the car, okay? Don't put it on the top, and I'll tell you why. Because you're going to probably cut the side view of your car first, okay? And if you cut all this material off and your drawing was on the top, now it's not on there anymore. Okay, so it's best to put the top view piece on the bottom of the car, trace out your design on the bottom of the car, okay? Then you can go ahead and begin shaping your car. So those of you that are here in class, I'm going to tell you that you can do this at home this weekend. You can start on the shaping of your car if you want to. If you don't want to, you can wait till you come into class. There's a couple of different ways for you to do it. Everybody is going to get a piece of sandpaper with their car, with their block that you take home. So it'll be, everybody here in class is going to get one today. Everybody at home is going to get one with the kit that we send home. You can actually do the whole car with just a piece of sandpaper. This wood is soft enough that you could sand it to the shape that you want with just a piece of sandpaper, and that would work. It's going to take a lot more work than the other methods. I will tell you that probably the best tool to use to shape your car is one of these. This is called a coping saw, okay? It's got a thin blade on it, and it allows you to cut the angles and the curves of your car very cleanly. And this wood is really soft. Those of you that have had my class, those of you that were in here last year when we were in school, we did the napkin holders with these, right? You might remember using these. Last year we were cutting pine, which is a little bit harder than the wood that you're going to be using. As a matter of fact, just to give you a demonstration, I have a piece of a car that right here, and I'll show you that I can cut through this really fast. Okay, watch. I'll cut through this in 3 strokes. Whoop, I slipped. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it took me more than 3 strokes, but you can see I cut through it really fast. What that means is that it's really easy to shape the car with the coping saw. It's also very easy to make a mistake. So I want you to be careful because you're only going to get one block of wood. Okay, so be very careful when shaping your car. If you're here in class or at home and your parents have other tools that you might want to use to shape your tools, as long as your parents are okay with it and they're supervising you, I don't have a problem with you using any other tools. In class here, some of you may learn how to use a scroll saw or a band saw to shape your project, and so that's an option for you to do as well. Okay, but so considerations for you to take as you take your car home today is to don't lose your block. As a matter of fact, you might put your name on it so that nobody else claims it as theirs, because I'm not going to give you another one. If you finish your design over the weekend and you want to come in ready to work on Tuesday, whenever this class comes back, that's perfect. Come back and we can start working on it. All I'm asking for you to have in class next time is your design. If you want to start working on your car, I've given you the steps on how to do it. This video is going to be up on Google Classroom so that you can see it again if you want to hear those steps over again. And so you'll know what's going on. Okay? We're going to stop the video now, and you guys know what to do.